if you think what I did is absolutely sick, then I'm gonna show you guys how to do it in your G35. I really appreciate you guys tuning in and watching this video, which is huge amount of support for me and the channel. If you could like, share, subscribe, and comment any question you have on this, it will be a huge help for me. Absolutely appreciate it, guys. Thank you so much. And without further ado, let's get into the video. So as you guys can see, I was playing on the factory option navigation system. If you see that, New Zealand SEMA. So we're traveling the group. Super cool. So no matter what you show, whatever it is showing on your phone, it's gonna Chromecast onto this little screen. And the best part is the sound, right? Is Bluetooth. Let me show you guys. In order for this to work in your G35, very first thing is you need to have a navigation model. You need to have this little screen. Without the screen, if you have a pocket right there, like a little pocket, of course it's not gonna work. So let's say you have a factory navigation package. You have the Bose sound system as well. It should work with your car. Bear with me and let me explain. Mine is a 2005 JDM model V35 Skyline. Now mine came with a TV tuner, and that is sitting in my boot, in my trunk, right above a amplifier, which is a factory amplifier. What TV tuner does is it allows you to watch TV in Japan, and there is a really special plug on there. So here is the plug right here, and this is a TV tuner, and you guys can see I have a bunch of wiring going to all different sorts of stuff. If you haven't seen my previous video on how to add a aux on your G35 and also how to add Bluetooth on your G35, should go check it out after this video, because it will be really helpful for you to understand what is going on here. Right now I'm just gonna quickly skim through this. That is a buck converter, lowers the voltage from 12 volt to 5 volt, and that goes to Bluetooth connector, and the Bluetooth connector goes to this VTR plug, and it's like AVC 14 or something. So this plug have audio left channel, right channel, and video signal, which is a RCA cable. Basically this, you can buy a cable from Japan that have 3 female RCA cable, and this is the male, would plug straight into it, but it's quite pricey and it's quite hard to get. The cable alone is like close to 50 bucks New Zealand dollars, not even including shipping. So what I've done is I've cut the cable and I've manually connected my positive and negative on the left channel and right channel audio to a 3.5 aux cable, and that aux cable goes into a Bluetooth chip, which that enables me to have Bluetooth on this in this car. And then for the video part, there is a positive and a negative. Don't worry, I'm gonna take the plug out and I'm gonna show you guys which cable it is. And the video will have a positive and a negative, which is yellow and black. These two wires I've extended, and that runs to a random female RCA connector I have laying around. And you guys can see I've put some bird shit on the back just to solder it together. The negative connects to the housing of the female connector, and the positive goes into the middle. And then that allows me to plug in my male RCA cable. Let me pull this back and let me show you guys what I've got going on here. So basically what this is a HDMI, so the input and output little HDMI to AV converter, which you guys can buy this for pretty cheap on Amazon and AliExpress, all that good stuff. I think they're on like $10 or something. So I have this cable, RCA cable, going into this, and this needs power as well. Temporarily I'm just using a power bank powering it up, but I'm gonna tap into my existing power source and then, you know, properly power this up. And basically the RCA stuff, the signal gets into here and then it gets converted through a HDMI cable, and then the other side of the HDMI cable is a type C plug. I'm pretty sure you can get iPhone plug as well, for you obviously iPhone users, and it is that simple. And this allows me to run video, whatever I want to see on my phone. You see that on my phone, it's on a little TV screen. This HDMI cable, all you guys need to search is HDMI cable convert to type C, and the cable should run about $10 or something like that. And this is $10, and that is like the RCA cable, so that's like $5. So yeah, now my phone is connected just like that, and just show you guys once I let go of the handbrake, and it shows the stuff is putting on a pause because of this. But once I lift the handbrake up, then the system would think that you are parked up, and the screen will work and function on like how normally it would. But once you have the handbrake down, then that screen would sort of put itself on a pause of whatever you're playing, although the sound, the music would still work, like would still play, but just the video part would be cut, just so you can focus on your driving, which is a bit of a pain. But there is a solution. It's just basically it's not hard. It's basically a wire that you need to ground behind this, and you just got to find which wire it is. And I haven't bothered pulling everything out and then to try to figure out which wire it is, because I think having that is a bit of more of a flex. But in the future, you know, when I have probably you know, the sensors and all that stuff that I want to read, all the datas, say the oil temp and everything, then I would figure out which wire it is and make another video. And yeah, so you guys can enjoy this permanently, having the screen up and watch whatever you want to watch. Yeah, that makes a pretty cool thumbnail. Yeah, this is basically how this works, and I think it's super cool. And with, you know, the RCA, the video part, there are endless opportunities and creativities that can be, you know, made possible on this little screen. I think pretty much this is probably the only video on the internet, on YouTube as well, showing you guys how to make this possible. This mod, it's not just limited to the V35. I think if you have a 350Z as well, I'm pretty sure if you have the same Navi package, you would have a TV tuner as well. As long as you have a TV tuner and you have that plug, you can make this work. And that includes the 370 as well, which in 370 is a lot easier because you guys already have the RCA in the little center console compartment as well. So literally just plug this in and it'll work. So it's that easy. G37, 370Z, 350Z, even M35's like Stagia, which you guys probably didn't get that car in the States, but in New Zealand you have Stagias, you have Fuga, which is more like M35 in America, and Y50, which is the second generation Fuga, and all that kind of good stuff. If you have the RCA, this will work. And with the G35, the hardest part is the RCA. There we go, I've covered all of that. If you want to learn more, go check out my 2 other videos. And yeah, if you find this helpful, leave a like, share, comment, subscribe, all that kind of good stuff. And without further ado, look forward to the next video because it's going to be sick. Alright, bye.